one of the most common skin conditions that occurs when the pores become clogged with excess oil produced by the body's hormones. Honey has antibacterial cleansing and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to cure acne. How to use honey for acne. 1. Apply honey and cinnamon mask. Honey and cinnamon make a powerful combination when it comes to natural acne treatments. Mix 1 teaspoon honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon together to form a paste. Apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Repeat the process regularly for the best results. 2. Honey and oatmeal face mask. Oatmeal can absorb excess oil from the skin and honey has antiseptic and toning properties. To make a paste, mix 2 teaspoons of cooked oatmeal with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply the mask on your face and leave for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash your face with warm water and pat dry. 3. Honey and turmeric. Combine 1 tablespoon of honey and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply this paste evenly on your face. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes and rinse with warm water.